Our next letter is ein. 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 Ah, 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 ah. Ein. Ein. There are 3 forms of ein. This is what ein looks like at the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. And these look very complicated, but actually you'll get the hang of them really easily, and you will have a lot of fun when you're writing these down. So ein, ah, ah, ah. And we're going to look at it in its different forms again. So the example for ein at the beginning is the word ein, which means I. Ein, ein. In the middle, muallim, muallim, which means teacher. And at the end, na, which means mint, na. Looks really hard, really easy. Trust me. Na. Ein, ma'alim, na. Those are the examples for ein. Ah. Keep practicing the sound, but you got it. Ein, ah.